वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो कैपिटल गेन सीरीज का 21st नंबर का वीडियो है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट कैपिटल गेन ऑन कंपल्सरी एक्विजिशन ऑफ लैंड्स एंड बिल्डिंग नॉट टू बी चार्ज इन सर्टेन केसेस, सेक्शन 54D ऑफ द इनकम टैक्स एक्ट। कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन और जानकारी के लिए आप वीडियो के अंत तक बना रहें, ये मेरा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है। तो चलिए हम इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम इसके साइलेंट प्रोविजंस और साइलेंट फीचर्स के बारे में देखते हैं। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। The brief provisions and silent features of Section 54D regarding availability of exemption or deduction for capital gains arise from transfer by way of compulsory acquisition of capital asset being land or building or any right in land or building forming part of an industrial undertaking belonging to the assessee are as follow। चलिए हम देखते हैं क्या क्या है साइलेंट फीचर। कैपिटल एसेट टू बी लैंड और बिल्डिंग और एनी राइट in land or building forming part of an industrial undertaking belonging to the assessee. Land or building or any right in said land and building to be used by an assessee for the purpose of business of the said undertaking for 2 years immediately preceding the date on which the transfer took place. Capital gains to arise from transfer by way of compulsory acquisition of capital assets being land or building or any rights in land or building forming part of an industrial undertaking. Time limit for acquiring the new asset. Assessee has to purchase or construct within a period of 3 years from the date of transfer of original asset, any other land or building or rights in other land or building for the purposes of shifting or re-establishing of the said undertaking or setting up another industrial undertaking. Treatment of income tax on capital gains arising during the previous year on transfer of the said capital assets are as follows. If capital gain is more than the cost of land or building or rights so purchased or building so constructed, that is new building, then difference between the capital gain and the cost of new asset shall be charged to income tax under section 45 as income of the previous year. When new asset is transferred within a period of 3 years from the date of its purchase or construction, then for computing capital gains on transfer of newly purchased or constructed asset, the cost of asset shall be taken as nil. If the capital gain is less than or equal to cost of new asset purchased, then capital gain shall not be charged to the income tax. When new asset is transferred within a period of 3 years from the date of its purchase or construction, then for computing capital gains on transfer of newly purchased or constructed asset, the cost of the asset shall be reduced by the amount of capital gains. The capital gains not utilized by assessee for purchase or construction of the new asset on or before the date of the furnishing of the income tax return under section 139 subsection 1, that assessee or the taxpayer can deposit capital gains in capital gain deposit account opened and maintained in any nationalized bank before due date of filing of income tax return and return to be accompanied by the proof of such deposit. capital gains should deposited together with the amount already utilized by SSC for purchase or construction of the new assets shall be deemed to be the cost of the new assets. In case deposited amount is not wholly or fully utilized for purchase or construction of the new asset within a period of 2 years from the date of transfer of original assets, then amount not so utilized shall be charged under section 45 as income of the previous year in which the period of 3 years from the date of transfer of original assets or property expires. An SSC shall be entitled to withdraw such amount in accordance with the provisions of the scheme. ये वीडियो अब मैं यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अगर आपको कुछ कमेंट लिखना हो तो अपना कमेंट भी लिख सकते हैं वीडियो को अच्छे बनाने के लिए। चलिए हम वीडियो खत्म करते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।